Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you on how to take a screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Okay, so Snapchat is very strict in terms of privacy, so you can do this trick. Just open your Snapchat application, okay, and then click on this friends icon here, and then click on the story of your friends. So for example, this one, the story of Greg Work. Click on his story, and then this is his story. So to take a screenshot, just click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then click on remix snap. Okay, so that from there you can take a screenshot without them knowing. So that's the trick of it. So guys, don't forget to, always value the privacy of others. So if you don't have any things to do with their story, just don't take it, okay? So but that's how it works. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.